Hi y'all, it's time to cook again. The floofer, we're not gonna cook, we're gonna make a sandwich. The floofer wants to help, but the floofer cannot help make a sandwich today, I'm sorry. She always tries to add catnip to everything, and you see the kitty? Get the kitty! Okay, anyway, let's make a sandwich. Okay, Lulu wants to be in it too, and she's done. Okay, we put the floofer down, washed our hands, and got a shot of the puppy dog, the Lulu. This sandwich idea, Ortiz no bread, yum. Sounded crazy at first, but I had to try it. I was reading a Janet Evanovich mystery. It was okay. Not couldn't really get into it. But oops, let's not fling our peanut butter. Both her main character and the author, hey, no floofers on the table. Ugh. She just determined to be an internet star, I guess. Did you? No. Kittens. So, Janet Evanovich, both the author and her character like eating peanut butter and olive sandwiches. Crazy, right? I had to try it. And this is some sliced olive salad from the Dollar Tree. Okay. You're worse than Yeah. Anyway, worse than the Raja. Anyway, this is olive salad from the Dollar Tree, and actually got a little bit more zip to it, I guess, than the regular olives. Like I said, it sounds crazy, but you get sweet and creamy, and then you get savory, and I like savory. And sorry, I got peanut butter stuck to the roof of my mouth. This is actually good. Will it ever replace peanut butter and jelly? No. They're meant to go together. But sweet, savory, it's not exactly crunchy, but you get the saltiness, the creaminess, the texture. It's good. I'd put it right up there with peanut butter and banana. So, thanks for watching. I thank you, the floofer thanks you, and we'll see you next time. Bye!